Oh, hello, beautiful people and Linux fans. Thank you for stopping by at my channel. And today we have another exciting news. The new Zorin OS 18 comes out of beta and we will take a really quick look at it. Hopefully, quick look. So, let's go. This comes from the Zorin blog post. A sneak peek at the Zorin OS 18 test the beta today, packed with improvements to make your computer more powerful, user-friendly, productive, and enjoyable to use. What a start! But this is the top of everything, with Windows 10 reaching its end of life on 14th of October 2025, an estimated 240 million computers that don't meet Windows 11's strict hardware requirements will be left behind. Many users are faced with the choice of either buying a new computer soon or switching to supported modern operating system. Zorin OS is designed to be the perfect replacement for Windows thanks to its ease of use and powerful features, earning critical acclaim throughout the years. This is totally true. Zorin OS has been known for a long time for one of the best distros out there, especially new users coming from Windows. It's really well supported, it's really good looking, but let's go and take a look. Okay, so let's start little quick with the boot menu. Of course, you have the try and install Zorin OS, and you have the option for try or install Zorin OS on modern NVIDIA drivers. This is amazing. I will be using a virtual machine for this, so I will go with the first option. I have to be honest, but I really like how the logo looks like. It's a very well polished distro, isn't it? And now we have the option just to try and browse with the live version or just install it. I will go with the install option now. We are selecting our language. English US is perfectly fine with me. Now you have the option for download updates, install third party. Oh, this is new. This is not in the Ubuntu. Don't participate in the census. The census lets the Zorin OS developers count the number of users anonymously. That's nice. They give you the option to participate or not. This is a virtual machine, so I will leave this unchecked. Let's continue. Okay, now you have the option to erase the disk and install Zorin OS. I have to, guys, remind you, if you have something else on your hard drive, just back up all your important data before you do anything here. Make sure you have selected the right disk. In my case, this is the only one that I have. Again, this is a virtual machine, so I will press the install now. You have the option to check if everything you have selected previously is correct. Make sure you checked it, of course. Click continue when you're ready. Select where are you. New York, it's correct for me. Let's continue. Now create your user. I'll be using something very complicated. Now you have the option as every other distro now, use the Active Directory. You can of course use that if you want. Log in automatically or require my password to log in. Okay, so when you're ready, just click continue. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now wait for the system to get installed. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, once the installation is done, you have to reboot your system and you are getting this beautiful login screen. Put down your password. I see you have the option for Zorin Desktop and Zorin Desktop on Xorg. So supposedly the Zorin Desktop it's Wayland only, but I really like that they keep the Xorg still alive. So let's go with the default version. Wow, I really like the starting sound of this. This shows so much attention to detail. But anyway, it's been a while since I've been trying or using Zorin OS. So let's see what is this start tour. Hi there, take the tour to learn your way around and discover essential features. Let's go. Okay, this is going to teach you basic stuff, how to use the desktop. Let's see. Launch Zorin appearance. Okay, cool. We will take a look at this a little bit later. Speed may be limited in a virtual machine, that's okay. Connect your online accounts. Link your phone and computer with Zorin Connect. This is one of the best things of Zorin OS. They are really famous with this Zorin Connect. It supposedly works like a charm. So let's continue. Now you have the software. That's it. We hope that you enjoy Zorin OS. I will certainly will. Let's fix the resolution real quick before we continue. It should be 1920 by 1080 right here. Oh yes, so much better. Wow, this desktop it's really beautiful looking, and I think they kept this wallpaper for so many releases. This is like a trademark for Zorin now. But anyway, so let's see what's new on the new beta version of Zorin 18 Core. I'm curious to see what is the kernel version. Okay, so they are using the 6.14. This is not the latest, but it's pretty close. If you ask me, if you are not using the latest hardware out there, you don't really need the latest kernel. But still, it's a good feature. I think the very first thing that makes good impression is the bar. Now it's a little bit transparent. Now it's floating, and I really like the curved corners here. I love this. It's supposedly they have. Oh yeah, I can see that. See the rounded corners on the file manager. The theme. Oh, look at that. I really like this. I think the whole theme is with rounded corners. They have touched the theme. They have touched the theme that they are using. I think even before this distro looked amazing. Now it's even better. If that is even possible. The file, while we are here, the File Manager app features an updated sidebar and reorganized controls for enhanced ease of use. To be honest, this looks pretty similar to the regular GNOME, but okay, so basically this desktop it's based on GNOME, and GNOME it's usually memory hungry. It's using currently 1.8 gigabytes. That's 22% of the 8.2 gigabytes of RAM that I gave this virtual machine. As you can see, the process is running pretty good. Although it's saying it's not very polished on the virtual machine, so far I don't see anything wrong with it. I am curious to see the new advanced window tiling. Let's see what we can make of it. Oh yeah, cool. I think this looks a lot like Windows 11, isn't it? Is it just me? Oh, let's open a few more windows here. You can change the layout. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Okay, if you are a fan of the window tiling, this might be a lot of fun for you. But anyway, let's continue. I don't know if you notice, I'm not sure if this is new, but the default browser in this release is the Brave browser. I think this is an amazing choice. Not everyone would agree with this. Most of the people still prefer to use the Firefox. But hey, what is this? Send feedback. What the hell is that? Oh, okay, I see. Send feedback to the Zorin OS team. Oh, that's a nice touch. If you have a suggestion or you want to report an issue, this is a really quick way how you can do that. Nice, I love it. I want to see the new seamless integration with web apps. Here you go. Cool. You have to select the name of the website. Let's go for zorin.com. Description: this is Zorin OS homepage. You can select nice. What do we have here? Emojis, mime types, other. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with the default maybe. Oh, there is a lot of choices here. Cool. I don't know, let's go with that one. Okay, category web, browser, web browser. So I believe if you have installed another browser on your system, you will have the choice with what browser to open it. Now we have only Brave installed, so this is the only option here. Custom parameters, isolated profile, private incognito window. Oh, that's a nice touch. I'm not gonna use it though. Okay, so let's open and see what's happening. Okay, cool. You can play with that a lot more if you want. Let's go back to the settings. With this release, the OneDrive files integration should be a lot easier. Let's go to online accounts. Microsoft 365. click sign in. I'm not going to do that, but you have the option now and it should be pretty smooth. Although I have heard a couple of people complaining this beta version it's not working correctly, but I'm sure they will be pretty quick with fixing it. But it's a nice touch, it's implemented, you have the option now. Let's take a quick look at the Zorin appearance. So the first thing here is the layout. You can change the layout. Right now it's a very similar to the Windows 7 or Windows 10, let's say. You have the option, well, it's basically one click to change it. Actually, what is the difference between these two? Oh, okay, I see. The only difference is the open files here are co-ops. Okay, that's cool. Let's see, this should be the basic GNOME. Oh, this is mixed with GNOME and it's similar to the Windows 11. Now this should be the, yeah, this is the good old plain GNOME version of the desktop. So get more desktop layouts, upgrade to Zorin OS Pro. Okay, I'm not gonna do that right now. But nowadays it's pretty easy to customize your desktop. For example, I don't like my bar on the bottom. Let's see what we can do about it. If you right click on the bar, go to the taskbar settings, you have a lot more options that you can do. Let's see. Override panel theme background opacity. Okay, see how much more transparent the bar is. I like it even more transparent, maybe like this. The position, display panels on all monitors. So let's put it on the top. Let's go with the panel thickness about 40 pixels. Yeah, I really like that. So I like my date and time to be in the middle. Date menu. Okay. Activities button, date menu. Monitor center. Yeah. Oh yeah. Behavior. Okay, so you have so many options here. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but you get the point. So now for theme, I like my themes to be darker. Accent color, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the one that I am going to use for this video. What's under other? Okay, I see. If you have installed extra themes, you can use them here for application icons, cursor, or even shell theme. If you don't know how to install another theme and use it, I guess if we click here, yeah, this goes to the help.zorin.com. This is the documentation. I guess they explain pretty well how to download, extract, and use the new theme. This is pretty useful for new users. Under effects, enable animations, it's already on. Jelly mode, what the hell is jelly mode? Wobbly wobbly, wobbly wobbly. I guess that's not it. I'm not sure what the hell jelly mode is, but you can click it on and off. I guess this is because I am on virtual machine and this, well, not helping. Desktop cube, switch between workspaces in 3D. Oh, okay, I see. Cool. Nice. Oh yeah. All right. I think I'm gonna leave this for the fun. Spatial window switcher. Replace alt tab with super tab with a 3D window switcher. Yeah, let's try that. Let's turn it on. So super post tab. Okay, cool. Let's go through the desktop adjustment zoom. I guess this is for the wallpaper maybe. Icons on the desktop. I'm not a big fan of icons for the desktop. You can turn it off. If you like icons, you have the option for icon size. You can select wherever you want to show your desktop. Windows. You have a lot of options here. That's pretty impressive. Left super key, Zorin manually. Oh, okay, I see. Fonts. You can change if you have extra fonts. I believe they do. Yeah. See how many fonts do they have. Let's say if you want to go with that. See how the font. Oh, what the hell? This font actually looks pretty awesome. I think I really love it. For monospace tech, they use JetBrains mono regular, but that's okay. I am going to leave you guys to play with this. You can always install extension manager and start from there. I'm not going to do that in this video, but this is a good option. I'm curious to see if the Flatpak is enabled out of the box or if they are using the snap. Let's try and install something here. On Google Chromium, let's go with that. Oh yeah, so see right here, the FlatHub, it's enabled out of the box. There is no option for snap or even Debian package. So, pretty nice. Okay, I think I will end up the video here for now. I will continue playing with this. I think I will have my fun with this distro for a little bit. I will see what else is possible, and if I really like it, I might even try it and install it on the real hardware. I don't know how good it is for production, definitely not. This is still a beta, but it's coming along. I'm curious also to see if this is any good for gaming. But if you really guys want me to try and install this distro on a real hardware and let's say try it for a little bit, maybe try and game on it, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you have or you had used this distro before. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Do you have some issues with it? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.